Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Josie and I'm back at you all with another video. Also, a happy new year to you all. Thank you all so much for an amazing 2024. I really appreciate you watching and engaging with content on this channel, and I do hope you enjoy your holidays. So in today's video, I'll be showing how to achieve the stunning lemonade and boho knotless braids hairstyle effortlessly on yourself. This is going to be a detailed tutorial. We'll be covering from prepping the hair all the way through to styling, and then how I maintain so the style lasts longer and fresh always. So be sure to watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Now here are the items I'll be using for this tutorial. The hair, which is from QVR. This is the Afro Kinky V bulk hair. The length is 20 inches and it came in just a single pack with 3 bundles, which I was really skeptical about it being enough, but it surely was. It comes in 30 individual strands per bundle, so times 3, that's 90 strands in total. And as you can see, it's two-tone colored, with the ends being color 99J or burgundy and the upper part being color T2. It's being marketed as 100% human hair, which you can feel it. They have them available in different colors as well. The link to this hair and their site will be in the video description in case you want to check them out. Now for my sectioning and pattern, I'll be using these 2 rattle combs, some edge control to slick out my roots, an edge brush, and then some hair clips. Now moving on, my hair has already been washed. I usually do it a day before to avoid so much tension on my scalp because I'm tender-headed. And I always say this, begin any braid hairstyle on a clean hair. It's really important and necessary to enhance healthy hair and scalp. This style is basically a half cornrow or lemonade braids and a half boho knotless braids. So for my section, first I'm going to part my hair into 2 from ear to ear. I want my cornrows to go a bit deeper in the back, so I'll try and section out the hair equally. The front section will be for the cornrows, so I'll move it out of the way for now. In the meantime, I'll work on the back section, which is for the knotless braids. With the size of the braids, initially I was going for a medium large, but after the first roll I switched to medium small because I felt the volume wasn't as I wanted. I preferred more volume and I realized I wouldn't achieve that with the medium large, but rather the medium small. So if you see the size variation, this is the reason. So that's how I prep the extensions. I divide each strand into 4 pieces. It does fluff out when separating, and so to prevent flyaways and to make it easy to feed in, I apply just a thin layer of edge control to this part to slick it out. Now that we have our extensions ready and our hair sectioned out, it's time to begin our braids. So you know the drill. First I'll apply some edge control to my root to slick it out. You don't want to leave it sitting there because then it will become dry and all flaky. So go in with your edge brush to brush the edge control into your hair. I start off my braids by dividing my natural hair into 3. Also note here, I won't be adding any other extensions aside the Afro Kinky hair. For this reason, I'll begin to feed in the curly piece just after a single round of braid. With the curly piece, you get the longer and the shorter side. I'll continue to braid until the shorter side is secured in. Then I'll take the longer side out to achieve the boho look or boho effect. So I do 6 curly feedings in total, 3 for the leave out and 3 for the ends. And with the ends, I stop braiding when there is no more of my natural hair left and it's just the curly pieces. So that's the first braid. This hair is really easy to work with. There were no tangles whatsoever while braiding. Now I'll go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the back section, and I'll be back when I get to the cornrows. I'm finally done with the knotless braids. I went ahead to do 5 braids here, which will go under the cornrows. Now moving on to the cornrows, I'm going for the deep sea cut cornrows. So let's go ahead and part. First, I'm going to divide the section into two. This part will be for the sea cut cornrows and this side will be for its extension and to freestyle the others. It's a bit tricky to part, but try to make your part clean as possible for a neat finish. So that's the easiest way. You have two sections. First, you get your sea part from here. All you have to do next is to extend the part into the other section. Now going in with some gel to sleek the roots, and as I said earlier, make sure to brush the gel into the hair to avoid flakiness and for a neat finish. And with the cornrows, it's just my natural hair. I'll add the curly pieces later at the end for the boho look. So I did 4 of the C-cut cornrows, and for the rest of the hair, I freestyled it. That's me done with the whole head. Now moving on to the final touches and the maintenance. This hair can be worn wet or dry. I prefer to wear it wet, so let's go ahead and define these curls. First, I'll brush through to detangle it, after which I'll spray in some water to moisturize the hair. It's just water in the spray bottle, by the way, and the hair soaks up the water really well. The water can stand on its own in making the curls pop by just going with some curl cream to reinforce it and also to lock everything in. This hair is so easy to maintain. It doesn't require much. Also, I didn't cut any aspect of this hair. I think the final length was between 24 to 26 inches. Now look how flowy this hair looks. There are no tangles at all. You can just finger comb through it, and I love this color so much. So that's the final look. Let me know what you think. I think it came out cute and stunning, and these curls are so beautiful. Now for my final thoughts, this hair is soft and lightweight. Also, it was so easy to maintain, which I did with basically water and some curl cream. I had this hair in for 4 weeks, and the curls lasted with just this basic maintenance. It's easy to detangle, and the hair is reusable as well, which I plan on doing. So that's all 3 bundles, and I'm okay with the volume. But if you want more volume, then I suggest you get an extra pack. If you have any question about this hair, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Also, the link to this hair and their website will be in the video description as usual. Thank you all so much for watching, and a happy new year to you all once again. The rest of the slides is just some simple ways I styled it. Enjoy and let me know which style is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.